Good morning to all. Today's topic is Cooperative Societies Act in Kerala. In Kerala, the current Cooperative Societies Act prevailing in Kerala is called Kerala State Cooperative Societies Act 1969. So, the Kerala Cooperative Societies Act has evolved through many years. After many years, it became a Cooperative Societies Act in Kerala. The important years among them are the year 1913, 1913, 1913, 1914, 1932, 1951, and finally current Societies Act, existing Societies Act of 1969. So, before coming to these odd years, we all are aware that our Kerala state was formed in the year 1956. In 1956, state of Kerala was formed. 1956, Kerala state was formed. Before the formation of Kerala state, the state was divided into three provinces, namely Cochin, Travancore and Malabar. Before the formation of Kerala state, our state was divided into three provinces called Cochin, Travancore and Malabar. And next, in the year 1913, the first Cooperative Societies Act was formed in the year 1913 by Cochin province called Cochin Cooperative Societies Act. Cochin Cooperative Societies Act 1913. In the year 1913, Cochin province formed their Cooperative Societies Act, and the first society, there was a first society registered under the Act. The first society registered under this Act called Vidavanakkad Service Cooperative Society. Vidavanakkad Service Cooperative Society is the society which were registered under the Cochin Cooperative Societies Act in 1913. And the next year, in the year 1914, Travancore province formed their Cooperative Societies Act in the year 1914 called Travancore Cooperative Societies Act 1914. There was also a society which were registered under the Act of 1914 called the society's name. The first society registered under the Act of 1914 is called Trivandrum Central Cooperative Bank. Trivandrum Central Cooperative Bank is the first society which were registered under the Act of Travancore Cooperative Societies Act, and this Trivandrum Central Cooperative Bank is now, it is called Kerala State Cooperative Bank, KSEB. And last, finally, in the year 1932, Malabar province formed their Cooperative Societies Act in the year 1932. So, now in 1949, in the year 1949, something had happened in the year 1949. In the year 1949, Trivandrum, Travancore and Cochin, Cochin provinces were merged together. In the year 1949, Travancore and Cochin provinces merged together. So when they are merged together, there also their Cooperative Societies Act were merged together. So there arised a uniformity in their act. So the uniformity between the Cooperative Societies Act between Travancore and Cochin, they formed another Cooperative Societies Act called Travancore Cochin Cooperative Societies Act 1951 for the uniformity of the Cooperative Societies Act and laws between Travancore and Cochin. After they merged, they formed another Cooperative Societies Act called Travancore Cochin Cooperative Societies Act in the year 1951. This Travancore Cochin Cooperative Societies Act was in force till the formation of Kerala State Cooperative Societies Act 1969. Kerala State Cooperative Societies Act 1969. Next, then our next topic will be KCS Act 1969. So, it is an act, KCS Act 1969 is the current Societies Act which is prevailing in Kerala. So, all the societies all the cooperative societies which were registering in Kerala should follow the rules and regulations mentioned in KCS Act 1969. So now KCS Act, before coming to KCS Act, I have something to say about cooperation. Cooperation. The Department of Cooperation mainly has two wings. First wing is called the General Wing. And the next one is called the Audit Wing. First one General Wing, next is called the Audit Wing. Department of Cooperation has two wings. First is General and second is Audit Wing. Head of General Wing is RCS, Registrar of Cooperative Societies, and the head of Audit Wing is called the DCA, Director of Cooperative Audit. And the cooperative department mainly has three duties. Their duties are audit, inspection, and inquiry. These are the three duties performed by the Department of Cooperation. Now, KCS Act 1969. KCS Act 1969. Here, the cooperative regulation in this act mainly has two parts. First one is, the first part is called Act. Next part is rules. It has two parts. First is Act and last one is rules. Act. The Act was formed, KCS Act was formed in the year 15/5/1969, and the rules were formed in the year 14/7/1969. Rules were formed in the year 14/7/1969. Also, there are sections in the Act and the rules. The Act has total 110 sections and the rules has 201 sections. There are 110 sections in the Act and 201 sections in the rules. The Act is to be formed by the legislature, and rules were formed by the government from time to time as per section 109. It is mentioned in section 109. Rules were formed by the government. Frame rules. Rules were framed by the government from time to time. Now there are three schedules. There are three schedules in the Act and also three appendixes. Appendix in the rules. The schedules and appendix takes about where appointment of societies made by PSC, then forms to be maintained by the societies, and classification of societies, etc. were come under schedules and appendixes. This is a small introduction about the Cooperative Societies Act and the cooperation. Thank you.